What's up, YouTube? I'm out here with the Wltoys V911S, little helicopter here. All right, let's see how this thing performs. All right, let's do this. I haven't even flown a helicopter in a while. All right. Nice. Thing hovers good, man. Look at it. Listen to that thing. All right, come hang out with me for a while, man. Oh yeah, this thing actually flies like a drone. Kind of small, I don't want to go too far. Yeah. Ooh. You guys probably can't even see that. Listen to that, man. Easy to fly, very smooth. A little, has a little breeze out here. And this thing is super light. I like it. Do that funnel here. I guess it's the funnel, or is it a windmill? Yeah. Yeah, it's handling pretty good, man. That's my third helicopter. Ooh. I like this thing, man. I got lucky today. I mean, regardless of the snow, guys, it's actually a nice day. Guys in California, what do you mean, nice day in the snow? It is actually nice. All right. I like this thing. Check that out, guys. I like this thing. I'm gonna get some more helicopters, man. Little 4-channel. Got a whole bunch of drones, but no, wait, well, no, I said, but 3 helis. One is like 20 years old that they can't even fix. Ooh! Don't kill me. See it coming, guys? Man, I like this. Check it out. Alright, that's what this helicopter stuff's about. This one is super easy to fly though. You can fly a drone, you can fly this one. And they're fast. Check it out. Whew. And I am going to put some lights on this thing. 0 lights, at least my little blue one has lights. This one don't have any lights. What if I want to take it out at night, man? Wltoys, what's up with that? Gotta put a few lights on this. At least one at the front and one at the back. Gotta see the tail too. Alright, that was fun, guys. Let's bring this thing in. Take a good look at you. A little bit of wind. All right. Nice. All right, let's land. Nice. All right. Well, that's it, guys. See you guys on the next video.